Let's start our today's lecture of lecture number 18. Today's lecture is petroleum, that is mixture of gaseous, liquid and solid hydrocarbons. Its color is brownish to greenish black in color. Okay, its color is brownish to greenish black. The petroleum mineral today began to form millions of years ago. As you know, they may take millions of years to form, like fossil fuels. Okay, the petroleum mineral remains of that caused by remains of dead plants and animals sank to the bottom of the sea and were buried deeper and deeper under the mud and sand. Okay, how we can get petroleum? The dead plants and animals sank to the bottom of the sea and were buried deeper and deeper under the mud and sand, and then changed into petroleum. The influence of heat and high pressure slowly changed them into a thick black. First, that is converted into a thick black, okay, liquid called crude oil. First, that is converted into crude oil. Crude oil cannot be used unless refined. Okay, first we have to refine this crude oil, then we may use it. Therefore, crude oil is heated up to about 400 degrees Celsius in an electric furnace to form different fractions. Okay, this crude oil, this crude oil will process into different processes, um, that is refined at 400 degrees Celsius temperature to form into different fractions. These fractions are collected separately. This process is called fractional distillation. The principal products formed during this process are as follows. The different process uh, that we will do with the crude oil are given below in next slide. Refinery gases. Refinery gases used for domestic and industrial industrial purpose. Okay, our crude oil first first refined, that is into different process. First is refinery gases, that our crude oil is converted into refinery gas that is used for domestic and industrial purpose. We may use it at home purpose or industrial purpose. Petrol used for light vehicles fuel such as cars, motorcycle, etc. Okay, uh, the petrol that we may get from crude oil uh, is used in light vehicles. Okay, uh, fuel such as cars, motorcycle. Kerosene oil used for domestic purpose and aircraft fuel. Okay, that is used for domestic kerosene oil, that is used for domestic purpose. For example, that is used for at home and also used for aircraft purpose, aircraft for in aeroplanes, etc. Okay, diesel oil used for heavy vehicles fuel such as buses, trucks, tractors, and many agriculture machines. Diesel oil may be used, that is used for heavy vehicles fuel such as buses, truck, tractor and agriculture equipment. Waxes used as lubricant and candle making. Okay, used for lubricant and candle making. Residue used for carpeting the roads. Okay, uh, a product that we use in roads. Uh, we may use it for making road, carpet road. Okay, you may know most of roads are made by residue oil. Our next topic is about natural gas. It is mixture of gaseous, hydrocarbons. It is also a mixture of gaseous hydrocarbons. It consists of chiefly methane along it consists of chiefly methane along with ethane. Okay, methane and ethane. That consists of methane and ethane, propane and butane. In addition to these gases, it contains impurities of toxic compound. It contains impurities of toxic compounds such a compound of sulfur and nitrogen. Okay, that natural gases also include sulfur and nitrogen. These toxic impurities are removed before gas is supplied to consumer. Okay, that are removed from gas before supplies to the consumer to home. Okay, it is usually found along with coal and petroleum deposit. That our natural gas usually mostly uh, found with coal and petroleum deposits where there exists petroleum or coal. Sometimes it seep out of the oil and coal to form a gas cap. Okay, sometimes it seep out. It continue. It, Sometimes it seep out of the oil and coal to form a gas. Sometimes it also form within oil and coal to form a gas cap, to form a gas. But it may be present as a separate gas field. It may be present separately without oil and coal. Okay, such as at Sui in Balochistan, that is present alone. It has advantages over the fuel being cheap, clean, smokeless, and handy. Okay, at Sui, the at at Sui in Balochistan, such kind of gas has the advantages that is clean and smokeless. Okay, and we may use it for cooking purpose. Natural gas is used as a source of energy and chemical products. It is used heating and cooking purpose both at domestic and commercial level. Okay, we may use it for different purpose at home and industrial level. It's used in industries as fuel to produce heat needed in various industrial plants and to run thermal power plants. Okay, it may be used for heating purpose at home or industrial. It may also used to run our hydro plants, thermal plants. It is also used an ingredient in manufacturing fertilizer. In ma- it may be used for manufacturing fertilizer. Our next topic is natural and minerals resources of Pakistan. Mineral is naturally occurring element or compounds of soil or rock that we may get from rock or soil. For example, silver, gold, chromite, gypsum, etc. that we can get from rock or soil. Minerals are useful substance and they can be extracted from the earth. We may get we may get it from the earth. But extraction process is slow. More than 370 minerals have been discovered up till now. Uh, in our Pakistan, the extraction process is very slow. A few very important are natural and mineral resources are discussed here. I have been discussed here some of the natural minerals that we have in our Pakistan. Some of them are discussed below. Coal. Pakistan has large deposits of nearly 500 million tons of coal deposits. Okay, there have huge amount of coal in our Pakistan. The coal found in Pakistan is not of good quality. It is not of good quality because it is it has a large quantity of moisture, means it's it's in wet condition and low percentage of carbon in it. Okay, the coal that we have in Pakistan has very low quality because of moisture and less ratio of carbon. Okay, it is mostly used in brick kilns. Uh, it is also used in thermal power station to produce electricity. In Balochistan, the deposits of coal are found at Shark, Khost, Haran, Bolan, Mulch, Digar, Sor. There are different places where coal is found. In Sindh, it is found at Lakra, Thampir, and Thar, etc. In Punjab, it is found at Karabagh, Makarwar, Krak, Varcha, Dandot, and etc. Okay, uh, that are the places where the coal has formed. As I discussed you that the coal formed in our Pakistan has very low quality has very low quality because of moisture and low percentage of carbon dioxide. It is used for different purpose. For example, vehicles and also used for thermal power station to produce electricity. Our next natural mineral sources is petroleum. Petroleum is a chief source of energy. Pakistan has large deposit of it, but still we are not self-sufficient in the production of petroleum. Okay, we have a large number of reservoirs, a large number of deposits of petroleum, but still we are not self-sufficient. We are not able to finding it at proper ratio. Only 30% need of the country are met locally. Okay, our petroleum product uh, that run our country, 30% of the petroleum, uh, 30% need of the country are met locally. That are found in Khor, Dolion, Chak, Narang, Tutkot, Sarang, Mayal, Dermand, Dudak, Belgasar, Journey, Kersal, and Hadal. These sites lie near Rawalpindi. These all sites uh, lie near Rawalpindi, from where we may get petroleum. The crude oil from these sites is refined in Attak Oil Refinery situated in Rawalpindi. First, we get crude oil and then that is refined in Attak Oil Refinery that is situated in Rawalpindi. And Sindh petroleum is found in Khaskheli, Badin, Tandolam, and Thandodem. To refine importing crude oil, two refineries are working in Karachi. Pakistan is in search of petroleum reserves with the help of foreign internal organization. Pakistan have taken help from foreigners to meet the needs of petroleum in our country. For this purpose, Oil and Gas Development Organization has been working with the cooperation of foreign companies. Natural gas. Pakistan has large reserves of natural gas. It is the main source of energy. Nearly 35% needs of the energy are met by natural gas. The largest deposit of natural gas found at Sui, Balochistan, that is in Balochistan. Other deposits are found in Sari, Chaksang, Dudak, Dolian, Khairpur, Kankot, Pirko, and Mial. Okay, that all that I discussed here are the deposits of natural gas from where we may get natural gas. As I told you, natural gas also seep out with coal and other minerals. Okay, uh, that's why our natural gas deposits are also found in Sari, Chaksarang, Dudak, Dholian, Khairpur, Kankot, Pirko, and Mial. Chromite. It is a brown or dark black mineral. Pakistan has a largest deposits of chromite in the world and it is exported. Okay, we have a huge amount of chromite in our country and that is exported into other countries. It is found in Muslim Bagh, Chagha Karan, Hasin, Khanazai, Waziristan, Malakand. This ore is used to make special type of steel. Chromium metal is extracted from this ore. Chromium metal is precious metal. It has wide applications for its white and shining luster, resistance to rusting and corrosion. Okay, that is the you can say the number one type of steel. This ore is used to make special type of steel, and that is also very precious metal and that has a wide application for its white and shining luster surface. It is used to make a protective layer for doorknobs, car parts, and other items of iron. Compound of chromium like alums are used in photography, paints, and tanneries. It is also It is also used to make alloys like nichrome. Okay, this chromite is also used to make alloys like nichrome. Gypsum. Gypsum is a soft, shining white or yellowish mineral. Okay, that is one of the another type of minerals, natural minerals that is soft, shining white or yellowish mineral. It is found in Dhundat, Miawali, Dera Ghazi Khan, Koita, Sibbi, Kohad, Dudkhel, Chakwal, Dadu, and Sangar. Okay, it is used for the manufacturing of cement, glass, plaster of Paris. Gypsum is applied to control salinity of the waterlogged areas. Okay, gemstone. It is a mineral of mostly inorganic compounds of aluminium, beryllium, and silicon. Okay, it is a mineral that contains inorganic compound of aluminium, beryllium, and silicon. This mineral is famous for its shine and beauty. It resists to scratches, wear, and tear. Okay, it has extraordinary property of reflection of light, which give it shine and brilliance. But it has a quality of shines, and brilliance. This property is further enhanced by stylish cutting and polishing. If we polish this gemstone and polish this and stylish cutting by stylish cutting, its beauty will also increase. It is used in jewelry. It is found in Swat, Chitral, Kagan, and Hunza valleys. Okay, gemstone is found in Swat, Chitral, Kagan, and Hunza valleys. That's why uh, they most of people wear jewelries made by gemstone. Okay, because gemstone is also used in jewelry. Mica, a group of minerals of aluminium, potassium, and silicon compounds, are called mica. Okay, uh, a group of minerals that contains three items like aluminium, potassium, and silicon compounds, that is called mica. It is found in Hazara, Swat, Chitral areas. It has unique property of non-conductor of electricity, that is non-conductor of electricity. Current may not be passed from it. It can easily split into very thin sheets. Okay, that is spilled easily into a thin sheet. Due to these properties, it is used as insulator in electronic and electrical devices such as transistors, dynamos, dynamos, fans, heaters, and irons. Okay, mica, that is used in as a insulator, that is used in electronic as a insulator and electrical devices such as transistor, dynamos, fans, heaters, and irons, etc. Iron, it is a blackish brown mineral. The development of country depends upon this mineral. Okay, most of the developments of our country depend upon this mineral. The largest deposits of iron are found in Kalabagh. Other deposits lies in Chitral, Khuzdar, Muslimbagh, Nahwandi. It only covers 16% needs of the country, therefore it is important. Okay, uh, in our country, the need of iron only 16% needs are fulfilled. Therefore, we import iron from other countries. Pakistan has largest steel mills in Karachi. It is used to make steel and a number of other alloys. Salt. Pakistan has largest deposit of salt in Kevra, that is in Jhelum. It, it is considered the biggest source of salt in the world. In addition, it is found in Vacha, Calabar, Badarkhail. It is commonly used as table salt used for cooking. It is also used manufacturing caustic soda, washing soda, and baking soda. Copper. The metal is a second in elements to iron. Okay, that is second in elements to iron. Pakistan has vast deposit of copper in Sandak and Chagi in Balochistan. The ore has other valuable metal with it like silver, gold, um, and molybdenum. molybdenum. These metals can also be recovered along with the copper metal. Copper metal is highly conductor of electricity. Uh, Copper is used in electric wire. It is used to prepare electrical cables and wires and other telecommunication devices. So students, that is our today's lecture. If you have any question or problem related to today's lecture, you may ask.